Okay, we're looking at volume by slices. Okay, like I have, let's say I have a cylinder over here. So we talk about volume can equal area moved through a distance. So that's taking slices of it. So here's a circle, and if I move that circle through a certain length, I can talk about volume. So the area of the circle is pi r squared. Okay, move through some distance. So here is the area at the end, and the radius is that. Okay, if it's a triangle, I find the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 the height times the base, times the certain distance. So I have a whole bunch of the slices of these triangles as I move it along. So that becomes the formula. If it's a trapezoid, I have to take the area of the end, okay, which would be the average of the top and the bottom. That's the average multiplied by the height. Move it through a certain distance. So you have a whole bunch of these move through a circle. This is different over here. I have a line, y is 2x, okay? Now, if I take this and rotate it, okay, and I rotate it like this, I'll have a cone, okay? So when you look at this, so it's going to be the area times a certain distance that I have slices going distance, and my distance is this way. And the area is going to be pi y squared dx, okay? But y squared has to go like this. Square this. Okay, replace the y squared with 4x squared. Moving it through a certain distance, and the distance is from 0 to 3. Add 1, divide by 3. Substitute the 3, that's 27 over 3, which is 9, times 4 is 36 pi. So the volume would be 36 pi unit cubed. The 0 makes it go to 0, it doesn't do anything. This is the same problem, except the rise is only 1 to 3. So if I square this, it becomes y squared becomes 1/9 x squared. So then the volume will be pi r squared, which is the area, times the distance. But the radius this time is y squared. But y squared is 1/9 x squared. Add 1, divide by 3. And I want to take the volume from 0 to 3, from 0 to 3. 3 cubed is 27. 9 times 3 is 27, so that equals to 1. My answer is pi. Okay, now the formula for a cone. This is interesting. The slope is rise over run, okay? Slope is rise over run. So that y is r over x. Y, r over h or x. Square both sides, r squared over a squared times x squared, which is down here. So the radius again is going to go like this, okay? So we're spinning it this way, so that's going to be r squared over h, x squared. That's squaring this here through a certain distance. And I'm going from 0, this length is h, from 0 to h. Add 1, divide by 3. Okay? From 0 to h cubed over 3. This goes into this with an h. So I end up with pi r squared h becomes, and with the 1/3, becomes the volume of a cone, which is the formula.